Perfect. Hi guys, so I came to Selfridges to pick up this DJI Osmo 4 action camera. The whole idea is really for my kids. I want to use it for when they go swimming and all those kind of things. So let's check it out. To open, okay, I need to remove the plastic first. So I did my research, and I think this is the better option compared to a GoPro. Obviously the lighting condition, the ease of use, the front face, the front touch screen as well, and many other things. So I was lucky to get the adventure combo, so that's what I went for. So this is the adventure combo. It literally comes with an extension rod, it comes with 3 batteries, and you get the battery case as well. So it's ideal for recording kids, right? Okay, so that's how it comes. So that's empty. You get 3 boxes. So this box is empty now. In this box you have the accessories. It says what we have here is this is the GoPro thing, the USB cable. You get the battery pack, which is pretty sick actually. That's how that comes, and you get the 3 batteries there, and it's obviously probably needs a charge. A lot of instructions, the action cam, warranty, safety guide, all that stuff I'll check in here. There is also this cover, which I believe is the cover for the camera, but we'll get to that in a minute, and the GoPro thing. Then in this case you have the action camera itself, I suppose. Let's see. So that's empty, and you have 2 items. That's quite heavy. Let's see what that is. So this is the actual camera. I must say it's very slim, slick. It's a lovely device. It just is good. And then here you have some screws, some more GoPro type stuff, and I think this is the head, something for the head, I believe. And then you get this case. Now my understanding is this makes you have it vertical and horizontal, so I'll figure all that out in a minute. And what's this now? This is the rod, so it's like a good selfie type thing, and good grip, I must say. Got some nice pattern on there. I don't know how it works, but I'll figure it all out. It extends quite long. I'll do that later. And yeah, that's everything. So thanks for watching, guys. I would be trying it out. I would let you know what I think, but it's again for the kids, swimming and playing and everything. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. And I'm doing this live in Selfridges, by the way, and the guy Ash is helping me out. So thank you, Ash. All right, cool.